Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gypsy Shiva, and today guys we are in Cancun, Quintana Roo. We are going to eat Indian food today. I'm very excited because we ate Indian food last 3-4 months back. Obviously we made it in home, but the thing is when someone cooks for you and it's in restaurant, it tastes more good. So we're gonna be going there to eat. It's just here. There are many restaurants in Cancun. So guys, nothing more. We are going for Indian food. Then we'll be going to one mall to do a little bit of shopping, and after that we'll be going to the beach maybe, or maybe not, because Jenny is sick from the hand. We don't want her to take, because if she see the beach, she will want to play, and she will feel sad if she don't go. So we'll try to avoid, but yeah, we'll go to just beach just to see a little bit, or go in the area where there is concrete and not sand, because if the sand goes inside a plaster, it's gonna be a big problem. We will need to cut all and then put it again. Guys, we found the Indian restaurant, and it took us approximately 55 minutes from Playa Carmen till here, because it was very fast. It was like, I don't know, the highway is really good, and we just reached. We ordered dal makhani for sure, because dal makhani was not here, and we ordered Afghani chicken tikka with butter naan. After the shopping, we'll be going to the beach, and we're gonna be going back today very late to the house, to the hotel, because we wanna enjoy Cancun before we give our car back. So yeah. Guys, they also have sweets, which is very rare to see here in Mexico, because almost no one serves sweet here in Mexico. And we have ordered the food. We're gonna wait for the food. So the menu has almost everything. Let me show you the menu. The menu has like starters, soups, rice, non-veg starters, main course, non-veg main course, naan, and some chef special, but limited variety. But let's see how the taste of the restaurant is. Many people recommend it on Google. Guys, we ordered Afghani chicken with butter naan and dal makhani. The dal makhani came with rice, a little exception of that.
Okay.
And here comes the chutneys, or the salsas, Indian salsas. And let's try. Smells delicious, but let's try how it tastes.
Amiguitas, ya estamos aquí comiendo comida de la India.
¿De verdad? ¿Y qué está comiendo? ¿Tú sí sabes el nombre de todos?
Pues no me sé.
Eso es pollo.
Pollo.
Y eso es naan. Arroz y naan. Y también probaste eso, ¿sí? Dal makhani. Dal makhani no te gusta. Now I decorated my plate, you can see. Let's eat and try how it tastes. Guys, right now we are going to the hotel zone after eating our food, Indian food, and the hotel zone is just here. The hotel is just starting from here, and from here it's almost 10-12 kilometers of straight road which connects all the hotels, and on one side of the hotels are the beaches, and on the other side is one backwaters. So we will be chilling here all the day today. It's already 4:38, but we're gonna be here for the next 2-3 hours till the sunset time, and then we go back to the hotel. Guys, this side is the backwaters and the other side is the beach. So we just entered hotel zone. We just had a pit stop before reaching the beach, because we're gonna be taking some food for the beach and some beer, some water. And here is chicken. The kids going to eat more, I think, and Viana also. So we'll be taking that. Here's my receipt, and it's a big Walmart. In Quintana Roo, you can find this mart, Go Mart. We're just gonna wait, and they have empanadas, but a little different from what they sell. I want to tell you that because we've been living in mountains, so we didn't see the sunset like it should be. And now that we are in plains, basically we are in at the beach side, so the sun looks really really beautiful. If you just see, look how good it looks. And because the sunset in mountains is a little bit different. If you are not at the point where the sunset actually reflects the light, then you don't actually see the sunset completely because of the mountain. It goes behind the mountains. But here, look how beautiful it looks. It's 5 p.m. in the evening and it looks beautiful, guys. Guys, we reached to one of the most beautiful beaches of Mexico. It's called Playa del Fines and it's very 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 beautiful. I'll just show you from the back side. Now look at it, guys. The water is turquoise in color and different shades of blue, you know. And there are some plants of nopal. Also there are iguanas, I remember. And we are going the other side. We reached the Caribbean, Cancun. Finally we come to the beach, but not the beach that we were seeing in Playa del Carmen, but the beach here in Cancun, because we had like what do I say, like we had the car today also, so we thought of coming to Cancun before, because we want to see places, right? When we are here in Quintana Roo, Mexico, we want to go to each and every place that we can. But look at the shades of blue color. That side, it starts with turquoise and goes dark blue. It looks beautiful. I cannot tell you how beautiful it looks. In this beach, all this is free. You can sit wherever you want. And it's a blue flag beach, means it's very safe and the water is crystal clear. Crystal clear means like it's super clean, super clean. You can see it in the video behind me how clean it looks and how clean the beach looks. They also maintain these blue flag beaches. Right now that red flag means that you cannot go inside because it's a lot of waves, but other than that, it's a blue flag beach. In Mexico they rate the beaches according to the color, so if it is a blue flag, that means it's super clean and it's one of the best beaches. But for real, this beach is one of the best beaches in Mexico to come. It has been highly rated and it's called Playa del Fines or Playa Dolphin or Dolphin Beach in Cancun, Quintana Roo. If I show you up and close, this is how it looks, guys. The beach, wow. And also there are seagulls. And look at the sand. If you want to see the sand, look at the sand. It's golden color and it's not the sand particles are not so big, not so small, but this is how it looks from here till there. And the water is coming more up and up, but see the colors there. You also see and tell me how it looks. And if you see that side is the hotel zone, complete hotel zone, till as far as you can see till the end. And if you see photos of Cancun, then this hotel zone strip will appear, and that means you are in Cancun. And this is the Dolphin Beach of Cancun. We are going back from here. We enjoyed our time here. We spent almost 1.5 hours, 2 hours from Here Vyane was explaining what all that colors means to the kid for the different how do you say different dustbins. So yeah, and they want one photo right there. They are, and after that we go back. People like to take photo, and yeah, we go from here because it's gonna be like 1 hour drive from here till Playa del Carmen. So let's go. Guys, we buy this from Taxco and it costed us like 100 pesos, and here is 4 times more, like 400 pesos. We convert to dollars, we buy it for like $5, but here it's amigo, it's mío. Gracias. So here I'm buying it for $20 approximately. Come to Walmart to buy toothpaste for the kids and flossers because they need it, and also something to drink, maybe one beer. The Walmart is just a block away, so it's very easy to come. You don't know, amigos, but I am Mexican now. Guys, that's all for this video today, and I hope you like Cancun, how it is. We were not able to go to the mall because we got a little late, and we thought if we go to the mall it's gonna be like 10 or 11 p.m. in the night that we're gonna reach to hotel, and the kids were quite tired, so we decided to go early from the mall. The next video is gonna be more interesting because we're gonna be going to one place where is the biggest coral reef, second biggest coral reef in the world, in Caribbean. So we'll be going there, and that's all for the video. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching, please subscribe.